Hello guys, my name is Rafi and today's video you will learn grade of concrete. So let's get started. Grade of concrete. Here I have taken 4 important grade of concrete which we use the most. And number 1 we have M10, second one is M15, third one is M20, and the last one is M25. Now here you may ask if what is M for. So before further I explain, let me tell you what does M and 10 mean here. M means here mixed design. Now you may also ask what is mixed design. So let me explain a little more. Mixed design is the ratio of concrete which is cement, sand, and aggregate. Hope this is clear now. Okay, now let's see what is 10 here for. So 10 is the compressive strength of concrete after 28 days, which is 10 Newton per mm square. Okay, so let's move further and see the ratio for each grade we have. Here is point to be noted that the first value stands for cement, second is stand for sand, and the third one is stand for aggregate. In grade M10, the ratio will be 1:2, 3:2, 6. For M15, the ratio is 1:2, 2:2, 4. M20 should be 1:2, 1.5, x2, 3. And the last one, M25, will be 1:2, 1:2, 2. Hope this is all clear to you guys. If not, feel free and ask me anything regarding this by comments. Thank you for watching.